Hi guys, this is our sixth class, and in this class we are going to learn that how we can draw support and resistance zone in our strategy. So drawing support and resistance zone is very easy. So let's suppose we are in uptrend. So in our strategy we'll use two support zone. First is break and retest. So let's suppose we are in an uptrend. This is a higher high, this is higher low, and this is higher high. So our first support zone at this break and retest point. Why this is break and retest point? Because this is previous higher high and market is breaking and closing above this higher high. So this zone is our first support zone, because market can reverse from this support zone to the upside. And our next support zone at this double bottom point. This is also our last support zone. Why? Because if market break and close below this zone, our uptrend structure violated, and this show weakness in uptrend. Okay, so market must reverse from this support zone to continue its uptrend. Okay, so this is also our last support zone. Similarly, in downtrend, let's suppose this is lower low point, this is lower high, and this is next lower low. So our first support zone at this break and retest zone, and our next support zone at this double top. So these two zones we'll use in our strategy. Okay, so how we can draw zone? Let's suppose we are in uptrend and market is making a higher high. This is a wick of this candle, and this is a little bit a retracement, and this is our new high point. So how we can draw our first break and retest zone at this previous higher high point? We'll start drawing zone from this closing body of this candle to the upside at the tip of this higher wick. Okay, so in this way we can draw our break and retest zone. Okay, so how we can draw this second support zone? We'll start drawing our zone from this closing body of this candle to the end point of this lowest wick. Okay, so in this way we can draw our second support zone. So how we can draw zone in downtrend? So let's suppose we are in downtrend, this is retracement, and this is next low point, is peak of this candle. So how we can draw break and retest zone in downtrend? We'll start drawing zone from this closing body of this candle to the downside at the tip of this wick. And how we can draw second and last support zone? We'll start drawing zone from this closing of this candle to the upside at the end of this higher wick. So in this way we can draw our support and resistance zone. So on live chart, drawing zone is very easy. So here you can see that this is higher high, higher low, and higher high point. So in this way you can draw a zone from this closing body of this candle to the upside at the tip of this wick. So our next break and retest zone is this one. Our next break and retest zone is this one. Okay, and this is break and close of this break and retest zone, and this is break and close of last support zone. So market is turning into a downtrend. So in a sell scenario, in this way we can draw our support zone from this closing body of this candle to the downside at the end of this wick. So these are the rules of drawing support and resistance zones. That's it. Thank you.